Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles, at least on one of the pages, should be a screen recording toggle. For me, it is on a third page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. This will bring this pop-up right here, start recording, start, begins a countdown. I am gonna pause it. I'm pausing it just so on the recording there is no like standstill moment. So anyway, in here we have a bunch of different things that we can do. So here we have a pen. This allows us to draw on a screen. I'm gonna begin recording. There we go. Just so there is something happening on the screen recording. Anyway, we can close that and it automatically vanishes with the drawings. Then below that, or besides that, we have our speaker, which allows us to choose what kind of sound is being recorded. We have a couple different options. We have microphone, we have system sound, which is the default option. We have both mic and system, and also mute, which won't record any audio. Then besides that, we have a camera, which will add a selfie camera, which just to start recording, so there is something here. So yeah, adds a selfie camera. You can move this around. There we go, as you can see. And the last option is the pause slash resume recording, and also the stop, which now this will stop the recording. Now, this recording won't be very long, so it will only take a couple of seconds right here. That's basically how long I've been recording. But let's find it in our Photos application. Oh, there we go. Now, it might not be visible in your photos right here, so you might need to navigate to the library, and from here, screen recorder, and you can see it right over here. So as you can see, due to the pausing and resuming, there's a lot of jumping around, and that's basically it. So that is how you can record your screen on this device, and also where you can find the screen recording afterwards. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.